Try mo Minecraft in the real life.
Minecraft and the real.
Okay. We need to, ano ng wood. Let's go outside our house. Go outside our house. Ooh, three. Wait, we need weapon. Yes. Go. Oh, ito. Wood.
Oh, what?
Cut. Eh, good.
Medyo na ako magti-check ako.
Okay. Good. Let's go, crap. Ito, crap. Oh, wait. We need to get the weapon. Para ito. Let's get diamond. Let's get diamond. Ooh, here. Cave. Ooh, diamond. Oh, diamond. Let's go. Diamond. For wood. Wood. Okay. Diamond pickaxe. Oh, I mean, diamond sword. Yeah. Look, diamond sword. Chiki. Oh my, I'm hungry. Let's get chicken. Here. Chicken. Oh, I see chicken. Let's go. Cook. Okay. Meat. Yung image na. Meat. We need stove. Here, stove. Let's cook. Yay! Steak. Let's eat. Nom. Yup. Let's go. Okay, bye guys. Stay tuned for part 2.